What's
Natasha,
up, camera?
how do you feel about this burping contest?
I'm a freaking magical dragon full of burping fire. I will beat the crap out of Andy, and I will win.
Okay, is that your final statement before we get into this thing?
Yes, I will win because I'm a freaking magical burping dragon.
Okay. Andy, how do you feel about this burping contest? Do you think you will beat the magical freaking burping dragon, whatever?
No, I really don't. I don't practice enough. But when I do burp, it comes out amazing.
Okay, let's get down to it. Okay.
Oh man, I already
Nat-
burped. You wasted your burp. I didn't waste nothing.
All right, Natasha's first burp. Dun dun. Andy. Natasha. Andy.
I can't do that again.
Do you forfeit?
Yeah, I do.
Natasha, what do you think about your winning?
Beautiful.
Yes, I win.
Okay, great, guy. Awesome. Andy, how do you feel about losing?
It's fine, because I don't really care.
It's just a burping contest.
This newscast
It's not
is out.
You won anything.